Hi there, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Peter Gay Barrett here with Barrett Fitness Enterprises. We are back with another smoothie video. And the main ingredients in today's smoothie, you guys, will be turmeric. This is a feel-good organic turmeric that already has the black pepper in it. That's going to help my body to absorb it a little bit better. And I believe I got this from Costco. I've had this maybe for a couple of months now. And I have been using it 2-3 times per week. Sometimes I do it in my smoothie. Sometimes I do it, just take a spoonful. I'll do it in my oatmeal. But this is the main ingredients in today's smoothie, you guys. It's turmeric that already has the black pepper in it. Also in my smoothie today, you guys, I will be adding some chia seeds. So a spoonful of chia seeds will go into my smoothie today. I will also be adding a spoonful of bee pollen, you guys. That will go into my smoothie today. I am going to add a spoonful of chia seeds. That will go into my smoothie today. And additionally, I have 2 stalks of celery and 2 oranges that I'm going to squeeze the juice from the orange into my smoothie, and 2 cups of water. So here we go, you guys. And of course, as always, I have my baby right here. My NutriBullet, and I'll just put all my ingredients in and I'll be ready to go, you all. So it's my smoothies, I try to keep them very simple, you all. I try not to nothing too crazy, nothing that I can't handle, no ingredients that I cannot find in the store. All these ingredients come either from my farmer's market or the local grocery store. So I'll just chop my celery, as I always do. Everything's already washed. And I'm just gonna toss it into my smoothie cup right here. Then I'll squeeze the juice from my my oranges. And some people ask me, why do I not just cut the orange and toss it into it? Actually, oranges, most citrus, and I think mainly oranges, give me a migraine. And I think it is the rind of it. So even now, like, I'm trying my best not to, because if I peel it and I eat it, I literally get a headache. So I just squeeze the juice in it. But here it is, you guys, full of vitamin C. And I'm just squeezing the juice in it. Getting all those juices going, you guys. And then I will add my turmeric. So again, here goes, you all. That's the turmeric that I'm using. And I'm using a spoonful. So there it goes. 1 heaping spoonful. Next ingredient will be my chia seeds. And I have 1 spoonful of chia seeds. This bad boy gets everywhere. Next ingredient will be my bee pollen. And I'll add 1 spoonful of bee pollen. Here goes. And then I am going to add my flaxseed. And again, 1 spoonful of flaxseed. Add my 2 cups of, here you go. Add my 2 cups of water. And this will be my smoothie today, you guys. As I have mentioned before, you all, I use my smoothies as my medicine, So it helps to boost my immune system. Vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C. Those ingredients that are antioxidants, that's going to help my body to fight free radicals and give me a fighting chance, against, any viruses and bacteria that may come my way, I live by this turmeric, you guys. And this week's podcast is actually on turmeric, and I will break down all the health benefits of turmeric. And you know, I can attest to using turmeric on a daily basis and what it has done for me. So in a couple of days I will post that video to my podcast. If you haven't already subscribed to my podcast, you guys, you can listen to it on barrett.fitness, or you can listen to it on Apple Podcasts, on Spotify, and I usually have it on video on YouTube as well. So go ahead and subscribe to that. But turmeric is what we will be talking about this week. So I just have to blend this baby up, you all, and we will be good to go with today's smoothie, you all. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, you guys. Again, the name of my podcast is Get Your Ass Up and Move. It's a fitness and nutrition podcast. If you're looking for it on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, on Google Play, it's available everywhere. It's called Get Your Ass Up and Move. So here it is, you all. And we just have to blend, and we'll be ready to go, you guys. Now just give it a couple more zaps, but look at this color, you all. This is beautiful. So if you're looking for a way to boost your immune system, you're looking for a way to strengthen your cells, most of these ingredients is good for overall health. Lower your blood pressure, lower your blood sugar, lower your cholesterol, help get your hair healthy, vitamin A, vitamin E, help to keep your skin healthy, you guys. There's just so many health benefits. Looking for weight loss, make a smoothie like this every day and add your turmeric and your moringa and your seeds and water and mostly vegetables and a little bit of fruit, and that's gonna help you lose weight, you all. Alrighty, so this should be ready to go, and I like mine over ice. So check it out, you all. My cup full of yellow goodness, you guys. I'm gonna pour it over my ice here. And here we go, you guys. Cheers, give it a try. The orange mixed with the turmeric is actually a great combination. Just like moringa, to me, turmeric doesn't really have any taste. So this actually tastes pretty good. So give it a try, you guys. Looking for a way to boost your immune system, strengthen your cells, help your body to fight free radicals, anti-inflammatory agent, antioxidant agent. It helps with certain cancer. Turmeric has been proven to help with certain cancer. So stay tuned for that podcast, you guys, on the health benefits of turmeric. But until then, you all, get your ass up and move, you all, and make you a green smoothie.